Hello and welcome to EPSFoamPro.com. This is Neil Honeycomb. Thank you for joining me. The question today is, where can you purchase CNC foam cutting equipment and software? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Worldwide, you can buy EPS CNC foam cutting machines and software. But if you're looking specifically in the United States, the states that you can find the machines in is California, Georgia, Michigan, Missouri, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Washington, and even if you go up a little further in eastern end of Canada, you can buy these machines. If you're looking for CNC cutting machines and you don't know where to find them, either give me a call, send me an email, send me a text message, or visit my website at EPSFoamPro.com and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next time.